Thanks for tuning in. Please see the link in the description for our ebook and please like, share and subscribe and help us grow. Why every modern business needs AI-driven automation. How smart automation helps companies save time, cut costs, and stay ahead in today's market. Business has changed and so should you. The way we do business today looks nothing like it did even 5 years ago. Competition is faster. Customers expect more. Technology changes weekly. To keep up, and more importantly, to grow, businesses have to get smarter, not just faster. This is where AI-driven automation comes in. You may have heard of automation, using tools and systems to handle tasks without needing a person to do them manually. But when you add artificial intelligence, AI, to the mix, automation becomes smarter. It doesn't just follow a set of steps, it can learn, adapt, and make decisions. This combination of automation and intelligence is changing the way businesses of all sizes work, from law offices and medical practices in Brickell to real estate agencies and restaurants in Manhattan. This video breaks down what AI-driven automation means, why it matters, and how it helps modern businesses thrive. What is AI-driven automation? AI-driven automation is the use of smart technology that can complete tasks, make decisions, and even improve over time, with little or no human involvement. Let's break it down. Automation is when a system handles a process without manual input. For example, sending a thank you email automatically after a customer places an order. AI, artificial intelligence, is a kind of software that can think, learn, and adapt based on data. When these two come together, you get a system that not only does things for you but also thinks about how to do them better. For example, AI can review your invoices, recognize patterns, detect errors, and flag potential issues, all without needing a human to tell it what to look for. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, in small startups, mid-size agencies, and large enterprises alike. Why is AI-driven automation so important? Let's explore 5 big reasons why every modern business, especially those in fast-moving, competitive places like Miami and New York City, should start using AI-driven automation. 1. It saves time you can't afford to lose. Time is the most valuable currency in business. Manual tasks eat up hours. Think about all the time your team spends on things like entering data into spreadsheets, answering the same customer service questions, sending invoices, following up on leads. These are all necessary, but they don't bring in new business. AI-driven automation can handle these tasks quickly, without errors, 24/7. Real-world example. A digital marketing firm in Brickell cut client onboarding time from 4 hours to just 20 minutes using automated forms, AI-assisted CRM entries, and smart follow-ups. That's time they now spend focusing on strategy, not paperwork. 2. It cuts costs without cutting corners. Hiring more people isn't always the answer to growth. Labor is expensive. And burnout from repetitive work is real. AI-powered tools can take over routine tasks and allow your current team to do more meaningful work. Cost savings can include fewer manual mistakes, which often cost money to fix, lower overtime and staffing costs, reduced need for outside help or consultants. AI doesn't replace your team, it helps them work smarter and accomplish more. Tip: start with automating your repetitive, rule-based tasks. These are low-hanging fruit for savings. 3. It improves customer experience instantly. Customer expectations are higher than ever. They want quick answers, personalized service, and error-free experiences. AI makes it easier to deliver all 3. Some ways AI-driven automation helps. Chatbots that answer common questions instantly. Automated reminders for appointments or bills. AI-based support tickets that route customer problems to the right person. Customers feel taken care of, even when no one on your team is manually involved. And happy customers come back. Case in point. A real estate brokerage in Manhattan uses AI to automatically respond to leads, schedule showings, and send follow-up emails. They respond to 90% of inquiries within 5 minutes, even outside office hours. 4. It helps you make better business decisions. AI doesn't just do things, it learns from them. That means over time, it can give you data-based insights to help you make smarter choices. You can use AI automation to spot sales trends, predict slow seasons, understand which ads perform best, find out which clients bring in the most revenue. You're no longer guessing. You're making data-backed decisions, in real time. Example: a small business in Miami used AI to review 12 months of client payment patterns. It found that clients who received text reminders were 40% more likely to pay on time. The business made a small change, and improved cash flow almost overnight. 5. It makes your business scalable. Growth is great, but not if it comes with stress, confusion, and dropped balls. AI-driven automation helps you grow without everything breaking down. Imagine this. Your client onboarding happens automatically. Your calendar fills based on AI-scheduled appointments. Your follow-ups go out without delay. Your financial reports generate every Friday without anyone lifting a finger. Whether you have 5 customers or 500, your systems keep running smoothly. AI helps build a solid foundation that doesn't buckle under growth. Common business tasks you can automate with AI. Let's look at a few common areas where AI-driven automation works well. Email marketing. Personalized drip campaigns triggered by user actions. Customer support. Smart chatbots and automated ticketing systems. Sales. Lead scoring, follow-up reminders, CRM updates. Invoicing. Auto-generated invoices and payment reminders. Scheduling. Smart calendar booking based on preferences. Inventory. Real-time stock alerts and reorder triggers. Finance. Expense tracking and predictive budgeting. How to get started even if you're not tech-savvy. You don't need to be a software engineer to use AI automation. There are user-friendly platforms that do most of the heavy lifting. The key is to start small, with tasks that take up the most time. Step 1. List repetitive tasks in your business. Step 2. Identify which ones follow a clear process. Step 3. Choose a tool that fits, like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, or AI-based CRMs. Step 4. Test one automation at a time. Step 5. Track the time and cost saved. You don't need to automate everything all at once. Even one change can make a big difference. But what about the human touch? This is a fair concern. People do business with people. That's not going to change. AI is not about replacing people. It's about freeing people up to do the work that requires creativity, empathy, and decision-making. Instead of having your top salesperson waste time filling out forms, they can focus on closing deals. Instead of your office assistant manually scheduling calls, they can focus on client experience. AI does the busy work, so your team can do the real work. Why this matters more in Brickell and NYC. Markets like Miami and New York City are known for speed, innovation, and constant change. If your competitors are automating, and you're not, you're playing with a disadvantage. Whether you're a luxury realtor in Brickell, a boutique law firm in Manhattan, a financial consultant, a local coffee chain trying to grow, AI-driven automation gives you an edge, both in how you operate and how you serve clients. If you're serious about building a business that's lean, intelligent, and future-ready, you need to start with smart automation. And if you also want to be ahead of the game when it comes to modern payments and digital systems, download our expert ebook, How to Accept Crypto for Your Business. Learn how to modernize your payment systems, stay ahead of market trends, and attract a global customer base. Get it now for just $17 and take the next step in future-proofing your business.